In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Basecamp. Let's get started. First, log in to your Basecamp account and open the project that contains the file you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct project before continuing. Once inside the project, click on Docs and Files. This is where all project documents, images, and other files are stored. If the file hasn't been uploaded yet, click Upload Files and select the file from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish before moving to the next step. Now, locate the file you want to share. You can browse through the list of files or use the search feature if your project contains many documents. Click on the file to open it. Depending on your Basecamp version, you'll see options to copy a link, share the file with your project members, or reference it in messages and discussions. To share the file with your team, copy the file link and paste it into a message board post, campfire chat, or to-do comment. This makes it easy for everyone to access the document directly. If you're sharing the file with a client, make sure they have access to the project. If necessary, invite them to the project before sending the file link. You can also add a short message explaining what the file is, why it's important, and whether any action is required. Providing context helps avoid confusion and keeps communication clear. After sharing, verify that the file opens correctly and that the intended recipients can access it without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully shared a file in Basecamp. Sharing files through Basecamp keeps project resources organized, improves collaboration, and ensures everyone has the latest version of important documents.